Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create sharp corners. It is for the project Dumpster Fire, or you can use it for any crochet creation requiring defined edges. Let's get started. This process involves two simple steps. Step 1. Creating the round with back loops to form the walls. In the first round, we'll work single crochet in the back loop only. Start by inserting your hook into the back loop of each stitch and crocheting as normal. When you reach the corner, skip one stitch before continuing to crochet in the back loops around. This step will create a neat border that helps shape the sides.
Join the chorus, let's dive in. We'll dance around it, hop and spin.
Step 2. Shaping the corners. Now, we'll begin shaping the sides and corners. I recommend using a contrasting yarn to help you track your rounds. It can make your work much easier to follow. Start by working 2 single crochet stitches as normal. Then for the corners, pick up one loop, then pick up a second loop. Drop the second loop. Complete a single crochet with the first loop, and then return to the second loop to complete the second single crochet. Continue working the sides with regular single crochet, and repeat the corner shaping process at each corner. This technique gives you neat, well-defined ridges. Once completed, your piece should have sturdy sides and sharp corners. I hope it helps. If you love my dumpster fire, all links are in the info box.